Your actions carry greater significance than you may realize. Three reasons. Number one, influence. Your actions have the power to influence others, shaping their perceptions, decisions, and emotions. Even small gestures can ripple outward, creating meaningful change in the lives of those around you. Number two, legacy. The choices you make today contribute to the legacy you leave behind. Each action shapes your personal narrative and influences how you will be remembered by future generations. Number three, self reflection. By recognizing the significance of your actions, you gain insight into your values, beliefs, and priorities. This self awareness enables you to align your behavior with your goals, fostering personal growth and fulfillment. If you would like to join my community, comment below, then we will share the details that will stop your declining life and help you begin your progressive journey. Thank you.